वाराणसी में ज्ञानवापी मस्जिद में मंदिर के अवशेष ढूंढने के लिए भारतीय पुरातत्व सर्वेक्षण विभाग को मिले अदालत के निर्देश के बाद एक और मंदिर मस्जिद विवाद जोर पकड़ सकता है। अब इस विवाद को कानूनी हैसियत भी मिल गई है। सुन्नी सेंट्रल वक्फ बोर्ड और ज्ञानवापी मस्जिद प्रबंधन ने इस आदेश को हाईकोर्ट में चुनौती देने का फैसला किया है।
The Kashi Vishwanath Temple Complex and the Gyanvapi Mosque. Now this area is in the headlines.
The survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque has officially finished today, with one side claiming that there is now official evidence of a shivling being found here.
The Gyanvapi, a lawsuit demanding the removal of a mosque in Mathura said to be built on the birthplace of Lord Krishna is allowed by a court. Does India really need this assertion of raw majoritarian power? This comes on a day when, astoundingly, for the second consecutive time, another set of details on apparent Hindu structures inside the Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi have been leaked to the media, even before they are considered in court. I use the word leak, but in fact these are lawyers handing out details of what has been submitted in court, even before the court has considered what has been submitted. Where is the process of law? Why is this being done so deliberately?
The Gyanvapi Mosque, Mathura, Idgah and various other issues which the Sangh Parivar, particularly the BJP and its associates are raising, is nothing but a betrayal. When we have a law, the Parliament has passed a law as early as 1991, that Protection of Religious Monument Act, except the Babri Masjid, all other places of worship, whichever community it belongs, that status cannot remain as it remained as on 15th August 1947. This is a law passed by the Parliament. Now, raising issues one by one is a design of the BJP and its associates to create a communal atmosphere in the country and trying to polarize the people in a unconstitutional way. And now they are trying to go to courts, and it is a tragedy that the courts, lower courts, are entertaining such petitions despite the law is very clear that even presuming, I am not saying, presuming, if historically, if there is some other place and on that day, other religious place has come up, that status cannot change. So now, how is it the government and the BJP, which is in power, which is responsible for implementation of law, and its party is raising this issue, which is nothing but to polarize and take advantage and divide the country on communal lines.
Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Pura Vishwas. So what's happening with that?
No, that is gone long back. There is no Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Ek ka Saath, Ek ka Vikas.